Okay, so we're gonna go from 0 to Python in 3 minutes on Windows. First thing, we have to find Python and download it. So type in Python, download Windows. First thing that's going to come up in all probability is python.org. It's the home for Python. So just by default, you can go to the latest stable release. Don't go for any pre-releases, go for a stable release. And the easiest thing to do is to download the executable installer. Okay, and your favorite web browser, open that file up. Here you're going to see the installation program giving you some options. One thing you want to do is add Python 3.8 or what 3.x to the path so that when you type Python at the command line, it'll come up. But pretty much just accept the defaults because we're trying to be quick. Right now it's running through and installing everything in the background. It's quite a bit. Because we did accept the defaults, we're getting stuff we probably don't need, but hey, that's okay. Okay, setup was successful. Let's close out of this and let's go to a command prompt by typing cmd. Type Python just to see that we have successfully installed Python. Let's do the typical thing and say hello world. All right, we can print hello world, so Python is working. Let's try something a little bit more adventurous. Let's count to 9, or count to 10 rather. Oops. Wasn't quite what I intended. But anyway, we get the point. Next thing, let's do something a little interesting. There's a tool called Jupyter Notebooks, or Jupyter, that we can install. That's basically a graphical web-based IDE, and we can install that using something called pip, Python installer program. Install Jupyter. It's kind of cool, and you'll see why in a minute. Oops, I misspelled Jupyter. All right. Let's type Jupyter. Notebook. This is going to basically start up a baby web server, and now we have Jupyter. So what the heck is Jupyter? It's a way that we can interactively write Python in a web page. So there we go. Neat. All right. So hopefully that's Python in 3 minutes.